Welcome back to school. My name is Miss Kissel, and I am one of the dyslexia specialists here at Oakwood Intermediate School for the 2020-2021 school year. This is my first year to teach dyslexia here at Oakwood, but it's my 19th year in education, and I'm so happy to join our Oakwood school family. A few things about me is that I have my bachelor's and my master's degree from Texas A&M University. It's my 19th year in education. I have one child named Jacob. I have one kitty cat named Greasy, and my favorite color is purple. This year in our classroom, we have several expectations. We're going to be doing lots of collaboration, lots of learning together, lots of technology, lots of encouraging each other. I'd also like to encourage our children to read daily with an adult for at least 15 minutes to practice all of our sight words, and remember that you can use Kids A to Z to practice your reading. There's a few things that you're going to need in our classroom this year. Pencils and erasers, we're going to use lots of those. We have a pencil sharpener in our room, but if you'd like to bring a pencil sharpener, you can. Bring a pencil bag, a highlighter, some earbuds for when we use the computers occasionally. We'd also like, if you have any Kleenexes or Ziploc bags, anything that you can send would be great to add to our class. Parents and students are encouraged to check HACK weekly to check current averages and to see if there are any missing assignments. Schoology. This is where you're going to find everything. Students can find notes, activities, and assignments, weekly planners. They'll also use Schoology to communicate with me, turn in assignments, and participate in class discussions. Here are some helpful links if you need help as a parent for Schoology. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. My email is kissel@csisd.org. You can call us at the school, and our classroom is room 203. Usually emailing or sending me a message through Schoology is our preferred contact method. Please give me 1 to 2 days, but usually I respond quicker than that if you'll send me a message. I can't wait to meet you. 2020-2021 is going to be a great school year.